Fish life in the sea. The life of fish in the sea is a fascinating subject, reflecting the diversity and complexity of marine ecosystems. Here are some key aspects of fish life in the sea. Habitats. Fish inhabit a wide range of marine environments, including coral reefs, kelp forests, open ocean, deep sea, estuaries, and more. Each habitat presents unique challenges and opportunities for fish survival and reproduction. Adaptations. Fish have evolved a variety of adaptations to thrive in their respective habitats. These adaptations include physical features like streamlined bodies for fast swimming, camouflage for blending into surroundings, and specialized appendages for navigating complex environments. Feeding. Fish exhibit diverse feeding behaviors depending on their species and habitat. Some are herbivores, feeding on algae and plants, while others are carnivores, preying on smaller fish, invertebrates, or even other marine organisms like plankton. Some fish are filter feeders, straining food particles from the water. Reproduction. Fish employ various reproductive strategies, including external fertilization, where eggs and sperm are released into the water, internal fertilization, and parental care. Some species lay thousands of eggs in a single spawning event, while others produce only a few offspring but provide extensive parental care. Migration. Many fish species undertake seasonal migrations to find food, reproduce, or seek suitable habitats. These migrations can span vast distances and often involve navigating complex ocean currents and environmental conditions. Social behavior. Fish exhibit a wide range of social behaviors, from solitary species to highly social ones that form schools or shoals. Schooling behavior provides benefits such as protection from predators, improved foraging efficiency, and enhanced reproductive success. Interactions. Fish interact with other organisms in their environment, forming intricate ecological relationships. They serve as both predator and prey, influencing the dynamics of marine food webs. Additionally, some fish engage in symbiotic relationships with other species, such as cleaner fish that remove parasites from larger fish. Understanding the intricacies of fish life in the sea is crucial for conservation efforts aimed at preserving marine biodiversity and ensuring the health of ocean ecosystems. By studying fish behavior, ecology, and physiology, scientists can gain insights into the functioning of marine ecosystems and develop effective management strategies for sustainable fisheries and habitat conservation.